Hello everybody, just a quick video here. First I have a correction to do. I had done a video a couple of days ago about an elder disassociating himself and that the elder ministerial body in the congregation in Japan. So I just have a correction to that. Apparently the guy in Germany disassociating himself before the congregation was not an elder. He was only a ministerial servant. So appreciate Beth letting me know about that. And also the post that was on Reddit about the congregation in Japan, apparently that was fake news, and so it has been taken down, and I'm gonna be a little more careful, about repeating some of these posts unless I have, evidence, because I got chewed out again for us doing fake news, and it wasn't my fault. I'm only going by what others tell me. Also, big news, it's really sad. It's a sad day for all abuse survivors because Montana has reversed the $35 million verdict against Jehovah's Witnesses. The Montana Supreme Court on Wednesday reversed a $35 million judgment against the Jehovah's Witnesses for not reporting a girl's sexual abuse to authorities. Montana law requires officials, including clergy, to report child abuse to state authorities when there is reasonable cause for suspicion. However, the state's high court said in its 7-0 decision that the Jehovah's Witnesses fall under an exemption to that law in this case. Clergy are not required to report known or suspected child abuse if the knowledge results from a congregation member's confidential communication or confession, and if the person making the statement does not consent to disclosure. So they got off on the clergy confidentiality BS, and I would like to see that completely done away with. But anyway, I'll put the link to that article, and then also I was sent another article that a elusive English woman, apparently a Jehovah's Witness, is on the run, and she had I believe the newspaper here in Knoxville, Tennessee calls it a swanky resort. She operated a rehabilitation, treatment center, charging people like $50,000. It's like, wow. And they've only got until January 21st to find her and serve her with papers. Well, guess what? They think they know where she's hiding. Lawyers for the 21 employees think Jacqueline Dawes has taken up residency with Jehovah's Witnesses, specifically a place called Watchtower Farms, operated by the Faith in Wallkill, New York, a huge operation about 2 hours northwest of New York City. She took off owing thousands of dollars in unpaid bills and unpaid employees. The bank has foreclosed on her treatment center. And the former Women's Center operator faces $4.2 million in federal tax liens. And so anyway, yeah, she used to charge $50,000 a month for women to get mental health and substance abuse treatment. She pressed clients to stay at least 3 months, requesting payment ahead of time, according to former clients and their families. So I hope they find her, and I hope that these ex-employees and all of these creditors can get the money that is owed to them. And unfortunately, even though Watchtower says they don't protect perpetrators from the law, I know they do, because we had an incident back in Arizona in our congregation where there was a man that was a suspected meth dealer. Oh yeah, baptized brother. And he would come running into the Kingdom Hall and he would say, "They're after me." Well, here would come the cops, and the elders would tell them, you cannot, do anything or get him on our property. You have to wait until he leaves our property. So I know they do protect perpetrators, even in something as bad as being a suspected meth dealer. So anyway, alright, thank you everybody for the news, and I'm going to put the links down below to this, and you all have a wonderful evening. Bye.